To me, there's nothing better than helping someone build their own home.
The name says it all, Habitat for Humanity. It's working with humanity, communities. It's something about the magic that takes place when people are all together to serve their community. And I feed off of that energy. The more people, the better it is for me.
It goes way back. I'll never forget our first one. It was just a wonderful experience, the whole build process. It grew from there. And so we've always wanted to give back to Habitat if we ever had the opportunity. And we've turned it into this team building things with different realty companies and be able to work with people side by side that we do business with is also fantastic.
I just wanted to give back to this community. I just wanted to come out and support the neighbors and help everybody out. Many hands make light work.
Well, Ben cast in a favor, and we wanted to help a family build a house.
I have to give a shout out to my partner, Ben. Ben has financially footed most of the bill for this. This is one of the things about Ben Thomas that makes me want to practice law with him.
The number one thing I'm looking forward to in this build is my family participating in the build. My wife and I actually met at one of the meetings there.
And you know that when you meet someone at Habitat, you're like-minded. You know that immediately. Habitat brought us together. We believe in their model. We believe in what they do and that they produce. It brings this whole community together.
One of the things I'm thrilled about is the fact that we are really giving people a safe space. You can't make people feel any safer than to give them their own home.
Owning your own home is huge. Once these families get a home, they start doing so much better in life in general. Habitat kids end up going to college where more than likely maybe they weren't going to be able to.
Well, right now excited. Right now I start my house. Right. I'm happy, excited. I'm happy for my kids. The house is the grand opportunity. Well, for my family, my goal is my kids go for the college.
No, I would just love to be there when that family walks through the completed house and knows that this is their home.
When somebody mentions home, I think we all get the same thing, warm and fuzzy family, a place for the family to grow together.
Home is the place you go to after the crazy day where you relax and you see the things that you love and the people that you love around you. Home is where you invite your friends to enjoy the things that you do. And I love being a part of helping someone find that space.